going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Martin, aka Calisthenics Nomad, and we are here in beautiful Koh Tao, Thailand, which is a small island off the southern coast of Thailand. In order to get here, you actually have to go to Koh Samui, which is another island. So in case coming here is something that you're thinking about doing, the best airport to go to is called Surat Thani. It's airport code URT. So you take a plane to Surat Thani, and then you go to Koh Samui, you take a boat, a ferry boat there, and then from there you take another boat to come out here. Now the whole journey takes a little while, longer than my two friends and I expected it to take. So just something to plan for, like make sure it's not just like a quick little, oh, I'm gonna get on a boat and drive 10 minutes. So just something to think about when you're planning a trip out here. With that being said, it is worth it to come out here. It's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the view behind me is unreal. It's just a dope vibe out here. So my friends and I, we rented out this villa for basically a week, and it is an incredible value. And once again, kind of speaks to what you can find here in Thailand. A lot of you who might be watching this in the West, America, or wherever else, Europe, you see a place like this and you're like, oh, there's no way I could afford to stay in a place like this. And the reality is that's what makes Thailand so attractive as a destination, because you can get a lot of value for your money. So this place is 2 floors, 2 bedrooms, but 3 beds. Really beautiful swimming pool. All right, so enough of me blabbing. You guys know I like to talk a lot. So let me just show you guys around the house so you can see what it looks like. So in here is the master bedroom upstairs. Beautiful, big bed, nice decorations. You got a closet. And obviously you have these amazing views when you wake up in the morning. Then in the next room is kind of just like a little mini upstairs lounge. There's also like a dope lounge area on the balcony itself, right here. So if you have a bunch of people staying, you can come out here, have drinks, whatever, just hang out. And then let's go downstairs. So yeah, there's a lot of things you could do on the island. There's beaches, you could do boat excursions. We rented a longtail boat with a private driver. It cost 2,500 baht for the day. That's about $75 US. So we rented that, and he took us to all these different snorkeling spots. And yeah, we just did snorkeling. We saw like tropical fish and all this stuff. It was really cool. And as we make our way down here, like that smooth transition. This is the kitchen area. You got pretty much everything you need. You got to boil hot water. You got a blender. You got all your full range of kitchen stuff that you need. Yeah. And there's water here too, like a water cooler. So you can have water. One thing about the islands, they told us, which might be a surprise tomorrow when we're checking out, is that water and electricity is a little more expensive on the island, just because it's the island, so it's in short supply. So a lot of the places out here, you have to pay you have to pay that yourself on top of the cost that you would pay to stay here. So this is the other bedroom, air conditioner, ceiling fan, and also a really nice view. Let's go back down and show them the bathroom. The bathroom is really nice. It's like, kind of feels like you're in like a little mini cave. So this is the bathroom. You got your standard shower, and yeah, it kind of feels like you're in a cave. It's got a nice vibe. So yeah, as I was saying about the longtail boat, it'll take you to all these different places, and the highlight of that tour is a small island, which I'm gonna butcher the name. It's like Koh Nang Yuan, I think. Anyway, I'll put the name on the screen so you'll be able to see it. And it's a small private island. There is an entrance fee. You have to pay 200 baht, which is about $6 US to get in, but it's worth it. It's beautiful. It's one of those like white sand beaches, crystal clear blue water. And there's a really cool lookout point all the way at the top with just amazing views. So we went up there. This is our private pool area. You can go over there. I don't think anyone ever does, but you can. And then this is the actual pool. So this pool's nice because it also lights up at night. So there's the lights inside the pool. Yeah, so you can hang out here at night too. If you guys are wondering why I'm walking funny, it's because yesterday when we went snorkeling, I cut up the bottom of my feet on some coral reefs that I didn't realize were as sharp as they actually were. And so it hurts to walk. But yeah, so this is the pool. Yeah, and it's really a pool made to chill, not to swim. You know, it's not, yeah, if you're like a swimmer, it's not for that, but it's definitely like a nice pool just to hang out, have drinks, which is what we've been doing. And that kind of concludes the tour. Yeah, I kind of freestyled this, so I apologize for the quality, but I just wanted to show it to you because it's beautiful, and I encourage all of you to come to, you know, to come to Koh Tao and enjoy it for yourself because it really is a nice place. If you have any questions or anything, definitely drop a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.